Hi there again, folks. This is Trader FX 711. The time now is 6:58 a.m. Right on Tuesday, the 10th of March 2009. Looking at taking a trade here on the Aussie. Looking at buying the Aussie dollar versus the US at this particular time. Let me just date stamp this. Right, if I go to that bar there, you notice on the left-hand side here, right, it's the 10th of March 2009. It's a 6 o'clock candle in the morning. Okay, so if I go back to this, bar, not candle, right, if this is 6 o'clock bar, it's going to be finishing in about a minute's time, and I'm looking at buying the close of this, right. I've got about a minute to go. I will take the buy on this. I'm going to trade one lot, and then I'll come back and tell you why we did this. Alright, there's the close there. If I look here on the left hand side, the close is 63.24. So we want this to get to here. There's our buy position. So let me just go set up my trade here. I want to buy the Aussie. Alright. Right here is a good price, 63.24. I'm actually getting in at a better price than what I wanted at the close. 63.23. Right, that's my entry point. Got in. Take my profit at 63.43. Save that trade. Right, notice down here we are now in trade. Okay, on this particular trading station. This is a live account that we have running at the moment. Okay, we don't know the stop point yet. We'll come back and fill that in. Alright, let me go to the spreadsheet. Fill the details here on the spreadsheet. Right, this is our 13th trade. It's the 10th of March, 09. The time is 7. Okay, there's our current balance. If we're looking at 2%, we're trying to make a $24 return. We're not going to be able to do that. We're going to be looking at more of a $20 return, which is just about 1.6% return. We're trading the Aussie. We brought the Aussie. Okay, we brought it at 60. What was the price again? We brought it at 63.23. Alright, we want a 20-point profit there. So what we want to achieve is a target of 63.43. Alright, the lot value is $1.23, but we can only trade on full lots of $1, $2, or $3. So we're going to go at the lower level at $1 here. Alright, we're going to trade one lot. We're going to make $20 on that trade, which will bring us a new balance here of 1,250.96, which will give us a return of approximately 1.62% on this trade if it works out. Right, the margin required on that trade. We go here. There's the margin there at $63.24. Okay, so that's how much it cost me. It's quite a cheap currency to trade, as you can see, compared to some of the others here. Alright, let's go back to our charts. Alright, why did we take a buy here? There's a few reasons. Number one, we've got a down bar here, right? And we've got the lowest volume here over 12 hours. Okay, down bar on low volume. I don't think we've got the professional trader trying to push through here. This is a late guy. I think you want to be buying here. Right, if we look here, see this move down. Right, if we were selling down here, I think you're going to be late. Selling pressure came on at this point here. Right, that's why I think you want to be buying in this market. Right, at this particular time. Okay, remember, to make money in this business, you trade against the late loser. Who's the late loser here? Who is the guy, or what position is most likely to be late at this point? Is it the buyers or the sellers? I think it's most likely is going to be the sellers, right? Okay, we've got this move down, right? These guys who are selling down at this point, I think, are just waiting for confirmation, right? They might have got it now and looking to sell. Those are the guys you want to exploit, right? Okay, so we took a buy position at the close of this bar here. Let me just put in this sort of market there. Alright, I'll put in a few parameters. First of all, I'm going to put in my target. The target I wanted was 63.43. That's where I want this to get to. Alright, there's my target point up there. The price gets up to there. I've made my 1.6% return on trade. Okay, now where's my stop going to be? Alright, if I roll this back here, okay, you notice down at this level here, these 2 points here where the market rallied off and then it rallied off again, that's the lowest the Aussie dollar has been against the US. It's the lowest point for 2009. That might be significant. Alright, so if I just mark this out here, alright, that low, alright, at that point, and at that point, alright, so you want to have your stop outside the range. Okay, what's the range? There's the bottom of the range there, right, where the price has got to. The lowest point on that is 62.85, so I'm going to have my stop 5 points lower than that, 62.80. Alright, if the price gets below that and breaks that and closes beneath there, we may see price rallying down on the Aussie dollar here. Okay, so that's where I want my stop to be. I want it to be outside the range. The bottom of the range is that level, right? And the top of the range, well, it could be anywhere in here. If I mark this out. Okay. So I want my profit within that range, right? Which this level here is a good area. Okay, it's most likely going to get hit. Alright. Okay, so let me go and put my stop in. It's at 60 below. Let me check that low again. Low there is 62.85. So I'm going to have my stop in at 62.80. Alright, let me put that in. Alright, place my stop here. Place that trade, replace the order. Yes, put a stop in 62.80. Okay, save that. Right, now my trade is in, I'm fully protected. There's my stops and my limits down here at this point in time. So all I need to do now is just let this trade work. Okay, show a bit of patience, let it work, and see what happens over the next coming periods. Okay, so again, we've got our trade in here, right? At live, we've got our live pricing at the right hand side. Okay, there's my target, 20 points. I've got a disciplined target projection that I always use. Okay, all right, we've got a low here. Okay, there's our stop outside of range. Alright, and keep our targets within range. Alright, again, I think this is a buying position. Okay, so if you're selling here, you're late. Alright, these guys down, this price has moved down, should have been selling up here, right up in this area. That's where I think the sell position should be. Okay, guys, I'm going to come back to you in closer to 11 AM and see how this trade develops. Okay, take care. See you guys soon. Until then, enjoy the profits, and we'll catch you on the other side. Bye for now.